Stop right there. Stop right there. All three of you guys. Three of you guys. Nope. Three of you guys. You guys. Nope. Nope. Doesn't matter. Stop right there. You're gonna go in handcuffs. Go right there. You're gonna go in handcuffs. All right. I'm letting you know right here. You're being detained for shoplifting. All right.
The 29th of March, 2025. Officers dispatched to CVS pharmacy following reports of a group shoplifting incident. 3 subjects located on foot near a McDonald's. 2 women arrested. 1 male released on negative ID.
She's on the side.
She's outside?
Yeah, she's right by the McDonald's.
Oh, okay.
They're right by McDonald's.
They're by McDonald's?
Yeah.
Are you able to see them from here? Is that them? Stop right there. Stop right there. All three of you guys. Three of you guys. Nope. Three of you guys. You guys. Nope. Nope. Doesn't matter. Stop right there. You're gonna go in handcuffs. Go right there. You're gonna go in handcuffs. All right. I'm letting you know right here. You're being detained for shoplifting. All right.
I didn't shoplift.
Okay. That doesn't matter.
What do you mean?
All right. Stay over here. You're being detained.
What you mean? I didn't say nothing.
All three of you guys.
I didn't say nothing.
Well, we're gonna have to figure that out. We're gonna review cameras, IDs.
Okay, I didn't say nothing though. So
All right, we're gonna figure that out. IDs. You have your ID on you?
I didn't say nothing. What you
Okay,
I didn't
well,
walk
we're gonna
out with
figure
nothing.
that out. We're gonna figure that out right
Did
now.
I walk out with something? I didn't walk out
Can I
with
see your
nothing.
ID?
Well, you gonna arrest me?
Show me your ID.
I have an ID.
All right, we'll take names. I got no problem with that. At the moment, you guys will be being detained for possible
mean
subjects.
detained?
Detained for
We're gonna
possible.
arrest?
No, but you're being detained. You're not free to go. Okay, I can put you in handcuffs. I got no problem with that.
Relax, Melissa. Just listen to what he's saying.
So we'll take IDs, names, and then you were carrying that bag, right? Perfect. I saw you with this bag.
Yeah, I carried it
Yeah.
from right
Oh,
there.
got you.
I carried it from right
Yeah, you got it carried it from there with all the stuff that you took.
there. I carried it from the store.
Got you. Now you can go ahead and put your hands behind your back. I'm gonna start walking to my car. You're gonna be detained at the moment until we'll be able to go talk to CVS, all right? Do you have anything on you that I should be worried about? No?
No.
I'll pat you down with the back of my hand. I'll take this from you. Thank you. You took this from CVS too?
No, that's used and
Okay.
abused.
I'll take an ID from you.
What?
Yeah, I'll take this down from you. Appreciate it. You have an ID with you? You gave it to me? Perfect. I appreciate it. Do you have anything on you as well that I should worry about? All right, can I pat you down? Appreciate it. So you're at the CVS right now?
Yeah, but I didn't say nothing. You said I didn't walk out. I was gonna pay for something, but my car was declined.
You said what? I'm sorry?
I was the register. My car was declined.
CVS? You didn't take nothing? So you weren't in there?
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah? Okay.
So who did you go in with?
I got nothing. There's gonna be nothing.
Who did you
I
go
was
in
by
with?
myself.
Oh, you went in by yourself?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, what do you have in your bag?
Nothing. It's empty. Just 3 items.
3 items? Okay, and where are these 3 items from?
They're
From where?
CVS.
Okay.
Well,
I thought you said that you didn't take anything.
okay, well, just 3 items. I did.
Okay, well, at the end of the day, you still took something.
No, I
We're
did.
going to put that right here, okay?
Under Terry v. Ohio, 1968, a dispatched shoplifting report supplies adequate, reasonable, articulable suspicion. Reasonable suspicion justifies temporary detention, not arrest. Probable cause is a higher, separate threshold. Under Florida v. Bostick, 1991, seizure occurs the moment subjects are told they are not free to leave. Fourth Amendment does not require ID during a Terry stop, absent a state stop and identify statute. A Terry pat-down for weapons is authorized where officer safety concerns exist during detention. Fifth Amendment protects against self-incrimination. It must be invoked. Silence is the shield. Neither subject invoked that right. All admissions were volunteered, fully admissible. Under Berkemer v. McCarty, 1984, Miranda does not attach during a routine Terry investigative detention. Miranda v. Arizona, 1966, requires advisement at the point of custodial arrest combined with interrogation. The formal arrest declaration triggered Miranda immediately. No advisement was documented, suppression risk created. Just 3 things carries no legal weight. Shoplifting statutes impose no minimum quantity threshold. Personal hardship is not a legal defense. Mitigating circumstances apply at sentencing, not at arrest.
What? I'm going to jail? I'm going to jail? Correct your items? Huh?
You detain her? She has stuff there too?
No.
Yeah, we could detain her.
I
then.
didn't. What you mean? No. What you mean?
Don't do this.
I didn't take.
Stop.
No.
We're not
I
gonna do
didn't.
this.
Look.
Stop
look,
resisting.
no,
You don't
look
need
at-
that.
no,
You
I
don't
didn't-
need
no,
that.
no,
You
no,
have
no,
stuff
no,
that you took
no.
from
I look.
CVS.
No, you can look. Look
Stop.
at the camera. I look. I was
Stop.
at the register.
Stop.
I was at the register.
Stop. Stop, or we're gonna go down to the ground. Stop, or we're gonna go down to the ground. It's your gun. We're gonna go down to the ground. It's your gun.
register though.
Okay, you
It's your
still took
gun.
items.
No, I
You're making
didn't.
it-
Look, I was
you're
at the
making
register.
things-
I
look,
paid.
Stop.
I didn't
Stop
take-
resisting.
look,
Stop
go to the
resisting.
camera. I
You're
didn't-
only being detained.
Okay, this ain't for
Stop
what? This ain't for
resisting.
what?
Detained for
Not yet. I haven't looked if he has anything. We're gonna go make contact with
You're gonna get an extra
CVS.
charge if you keep resisting.
Okay, but extra charge for what? I didn't
For
take-
resisting.
Okay, but I didn't take.
You're under arrest. Stop
For what?
resisting.
What you mean?
Stop
I didn't take
resisting.
nothing.
Stop resisting. Stop
I didn't
resisting.
take shit, bro.
All right, just stop resisting, man.
What
You're
do you
gonna,
mean?
get,
I take me to jail for
you're
what?
gonna figure it out right
Figure
now.
out what?
Stop resisting.
I didn't take shit though. Damn.
All right, you want to go make contact with CVS and then see if you want to do a show up, and then if this is their property.
But I was arrested, right? I didn't take nothing.
You have property that consists of CVS, and CVS called you out, matching the description.
They didn't
So,
call
like I
me
told you at the
out.
beginning, you are being detained for possible shoplifting. Okay?
Okay. So what? If they say what?
He's detained too.
He is detained at the moment. Yeah. He's been cool with us, so he's not going. He hasn't been in handcuffs
Okay,
yet.
but look it. I didn't.
I have
walk
one in my
out.
vehicle that also had that bag full of shampoos and everything like
I
that.
didn't walk out with nothing.
And then she had this bag with also consists of shampoos from CVS.
Three little things that I was arrested. I was gonna pay. My car got declined.
Okay.
Can I speak to you, please? Okay, so we do have them, right? The female had the 3 shampoos.
No, she got more than that.
No, I'm saying the one in the bag. Yeah, I'm not sure about the other one, but are you guys willing to sign complaints or? Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna need you to come do a show up. Are you able to identify the people that took the items? Okay.
Huh? Oh, they're not made for comfort.
Hey, Retron, can you have her step a little bit more to your right?
Move to the right. Move to the right. Thank you.
The one with the gray hoodie? That's one of them? Okay. 2857. It's going to be a positive ID with subject wearing a gray hoodie.
Physical resistance during lawful detention constitutes a separate chargeable offense. Under Graham v. Connor, 1989, force is judged by what was objectively reasonable at the moment of decision. The officer verbalized the escalation warning before contact, consistent with use of force policy standards. Under Manson v. Brathwaite, 1977, show-up IDs are admissible when totality of circumstances supports reliability. Positive ID arrested, negative ID released. The identification procedure functioned as designed.
You're going down for shoplifting.
Why? I didn't take it. I didn't. Did you get my wallet and my phone?
I'll get it for you. Hey, Ramos, they're willing to proceed with charges, right?
Well, trying to think what I do. See the.
Have a seat.
How much
Have a
am I
seat.
taking? This
Have a seat.
Have
Have a seat. Have a
Tell
seat.
me. Okay. Just,
Have a seat.
damn.
Thank
Now
you.
you are under arrest. Okay, they want to pursue charges for retail theft.
For what?
For what? You made admissions that you took the items from them. They saw you take items from them.
For what? 3 little things?
Doesn't matter. That doesn't justify you being able to steal just because it's 3 little things. Stealing is stealing at the end of the day. We're asking you if you don't want to get another charge. It might just be a sign and release. You're gonna get a ticket at the station, court date, and you're gonna be released within 2 hours, max. Thank you. So just get in the squad, make shit easier for yourself.
What about the mail?
What was the mail involved? No. The negative ID with a black sweater.
So far, I got one more. All right, you have anything else? No. That's all you had with you? Did I give you your ID back? No. You have his ID, right? All right, you're gonna be free to go. Step up.
All this for my stepfather's funeral.
Oh, that's your problem. Here, look
I
that way.
know it is.
Look that way.
Positive ID, wearing a white shirt and blue pajamas.
All right. So at this time, you will be placed in custody. You will be going to jail for shoplifting. Okay.
What for how? For how long?
You're gonna be there for a couple hours. Huh?
Hang on tight for me, okay?
Be right back.
They're gonna take that one back, right? It's only these two?
These two. I haven't checked the other bag. This one's also gonna have stuff.
This one has stuff?
Yep. I think this is just their property. Yeah, I think it's just their property. It has nothing. What did they say? They just stole like shampoos?
Yeah, pretty much from what it looks like. Their makeup, bunch of cosmetics.
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
That's it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put this stuff right here, okay, man?
Okay, thank you.
She was carrying one bag, she was carrying the other bag. Or I think she was carrying two bags. So both of them have shampoos on them. So both of them had shampoos when we came in contact with them. She was the one with the bigger bag. He just needs to divide what's what, right?
Yeah, 'cause I think that's.
So
they need because you're gonna charge them individually. Right?
yeah, so how much she took and however much she took, right? So yeah, so from I'll call Ramos because she only had the Aldi's bag. She had the rest. So I'll call him and I'll let him know.
Yes, sir.
Hey, so you're gonna do two separate transactions. I'm not sure if you're aware. So the Aldi's bag is gonna be the girl that I have, and then the rest of the bags that have merchandise is gonna be for the other girl because you're gonna charge them whatever the amount is.
Okay, cool.
You get me? So just do two separate transactions, and then whatever comes out to, then it decides what you do.
Yeah, gotcha.
All right. You guys sign complaints and everything?
It's the. Well, I mean, depending on the amount, it's the misdemeanor.
Yeah. Anything over 300 is a felony. Under 300 is a misdemeanor.
I have felony. Do you have a? Wait, let me see if I have misdemeanor. All right, yeah.
All right. See ya.
All right, bye.
You're gonna go to there's a station. You're gonna get processed. We're gonna do our paperwork, and then we're gonna give you a court date. Once you get that court date, you're just gonna be released from the station. You gotta show up to that court date.
I'll just put the stuff over here. Just go like that. So this one is a separate one, and these two are together. So.
The last ones that you had. Oh, that was like construction. Do you want me to put them back in here?
Yeah, I need to take a picture of the items.
I could try it. That's that one.
She's been cool with me, right? Let's go.
Just desperate times, huh? They just killed my stepfather. I think he started chasing his brother. Stabbed him. We don't have the money for a funeral, so we're trying to raise him.
Well, You could do it other ways. This is not one of them.
Yeah. Yeah. I should have listened to my instincts instead of following dumbass.
Merchandise separated by subject for individual charging, directly determining felony versus misdemeanor exposure. Theft value over $300 felony, under $300 misdemeanor. Individual totals controlled the outcome. Grades: Officer Badge 2,857, B+. Terry, stop justified. Show up procedure properly executed. Deduction: no documented Miranda advisement post-arrest. Post-arrest statements carry suppression exposure. Subject 1, Melissa, gray hoodie. C, voluntary admissions. Physical resistance. No rights invoked. Subject 2, white shirt, C+. No resistance, but contradicting bag contents created a prosecutorial opening. Male subject, black sweater, B-. Cooperative. Released on negative ID. System worked correctly. Lessons. Silence is the most effective tool available during any police encounter. Once detained, I invoke my right to remain silent. Am I free to go? That is the only necessary statement. Resistance compounds, charges, and forfeits the legal standing to challenge the original stop in court. Officers must document Miranda advisement upon arrest. Omission creates suppression, exposure, regardless of guilt. Rights protect only those who invoke them correctly, clearly, and at the moment of contact. Let us know if there is a topic you would like analyzed. Thank you for watching Street Bodycam for more content.